Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna do an unboxing video for the new, it's new to me, iPad 11 Pro. This is it here. It's 11-inch Wi-Fi model, 128 gig space gray. I also got these screen protectors, tempered glass from JetTech. Put a link in the description. We'll do a little, put them on here. Also got this case, Pro case. Should be pretty good. We'll give that a review as well. All right, let's get to it. I did already open it up just to get the initial setup done. Look at this puppy. Get this off. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I just had a 6th generation, so this is pretty nice. I got the one with the nice cameras on it. It's very nice. Put that to the side. Comes with the booklet. Always got to get those Apple stickers out. Beautiful Apple stickers. Also in the box, you got your Type-C charger and the cord. Double Type-C. All right. So that's it. Very nice looking unit, very happy with that. Looks beautiful. All right. Okay, now we're gonna attempt to put this screen protector on. I hate doing these, but we're gonna go for it. I hate doing it because every time I do it, I always get dust under it. Let's hope for a smooth install. You know, this fucking thing is huge. Okay, come on. Fuck, there's already shit getting on it. Unfreaking believable. There we go. Smooth drop. Gotta work those bubbles out. What's this tool here? Ooh, camera protector. There we go. Here's the working outer. Use the little tool they give you to get the bubbles out. Just get it adheres better to the screen. And yeah, just like that. Screen protector. Alright, so it even came with this little camera cover too, so we're gonna put that on. Might as well have a little extra protection, right? Perfect. So now we got the screen protector on and the camera protector. All right, now that we got the screen protectors on, And we're gonna check out the case. Seems like a pretty good case. I got the one that kind of holds it. I wanted the side barrier protection. Wasn't sure if the magnets would hold up very good, even though I checked them out at the Alpha store today and they seem pretty strong, the magnets. Let's see, how does this work? Perfect. And we're ready to rock.